weeks now, and she's 1.7 kilo.
Is that
Oh, well, big buffer girl, she's 900 grams. Oh, 1.7 kilo.
Yeah.
She's 900 gram already
Yeah.
at 5 weeks. I don't know why she's so fat, but she is.
so all the food?
She likes that titty.
Yeah.
Hey, why is he so stupid and stuff? You little tail wagging.
Yeah, on one of these things, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Went up on removed his dew claws. She didn't remove one properly, and it's growing back. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
not growing back in total. And I phoned her about it, and the black boy's got one too.
Yep.
And I've never had it happen before. And she goes, oh, bring him down and we can do it with a local anaesthetic. And I thought, no, because the shock value would be too much for him.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you see, what I have to do is hold him like that.